Hello everyone, this is Ms. Dufour directly from 3C. I'm going to show you how to operate this wonderful machine, which is a power source. So when you do your lab, what you're going to be setting up is essentially the voltage over here. So you have two knobs. One says fine, one says coarse. So the coarse one changes the voltage quickly, and then we fine tune, we adjust very finely at the end. You have a power button, which will turn this light green, and you've got your outlets here. One is negative, you can see it over here. One is positive. So the first thing you're gonna do is, no, I was gonna put it on, that's not what I want to do. So first thing you're gonna do is get some wires. You wanna pick the wires that end with the little round end like this. Okay, so there are two of them, one red, one black. Essentially they are the same wire. We color code them just to know what's positive, what's negative, but we could interchange them because they're just wires. Again, it's just the outside, the rubber that is of a different color, just for us to color code things when we assemble a circuit. So typically we put the red with the positive. So you're just gonna insert it over here, and you're gonna tighten like this, and then you're gonna take the black one and you're gonna insert it over here, and you're gonna, oops, sorry, tighten. It's hard to do this with one hand. Switch. So, all right, it's secure. Okay, and then what you're gonna do is take the voltmeter. So now the voltmeter has three different scales. You can see there's a scale that ends in 1.5, one ends with 15, one ends with 150. And these are linked, these scales are linked to what you have over here. So you have the positive outlet, and then you have the 150, the 15, and the 1.5. So depending on which of these your wire is connected to, you're going to be looking at the corresponding scale. So let's say 1.5 and 1.5, 15 and 15, 150 and 150. Okay, so you're looking either at the bottom numbers, the middle numbers, or the top numbers. And this is measuring in amps. So I'm going to connect these wires. So red goes with red. So you can connect it at the top here. If the alligator clip is not too big, this one is too big, so what you can do is unscrew this. If I show you over here, you can turn them, create a space, and you can go and clip over here. So you want metal to metal. And then let's say I choose 15, because I'm going to set up my power source anywhere between 1 and 5. You should not set up your power source higher than 5. Your lab report is going to tell you, is going to indicate which voltage to use. So like this. So what I'm doing right now is that I'm setting up my power source and my voltmeter. I'm connecting them together in order to set up the voltage on my power source. What you see over here will give you the voltage, but it is not very precise. The voltmeter is a much more precise tool. So we don't want to read this to set up our voltage. We want to set it up using this device. You do not ever touch these two knobs, which are for the current. They are set up for you. Do not touch them, okay? As it says over here, don't touch two current knobs. Okay, so now I'm ready. So what I'm gonna do is, and make sure this is, the power source is connected to a plug, to an outlet, electricity outlet. So now you're ready. You're gonna go and power this up, and you can see the light turns green, so that means it's working. And then what you're gonna do is put your voltmeter here. Sorry. Okay. Oh my God, what's wrong with me? I'm so sorry. Okay, so you're gonna put your voltmeter here, and what you want is, let's say, set it up at 5 volts. So I'm connected to 15. I'm gonna look at this scale. I wanna put it at 5 volts, which is gonna be this line. So what I'm gonna do is turn the coarse knob and set it up about at 5. Now, you wanna be right in front of it. So you see, this is not exactly 5. What I'm gonna do now is use the fine tuning to gently increase until I have 5 volts. Okay, so first I turn this one to get close to 5, and then I turn this one to finalize my adjustment. And then I'm finished. So once I'm done setting up my power source to 5 volts, let's say, I'm gonna turn it off. I will unclip my voltmeter, and I'm done setting up my power source, and now I'm ready to build a circuit, any circuit, and my total voltage, so the voltage coming out of my power source, will be 5 volts. All right, so that's how you're gonna have to do it. Hope that's clear. If you have questions, you know where to find me. Bye.